Are you searching for the perfect pour-over coffee maker that delivers a consistently great brew while looking stylish on your kitchen counter? Meet the Aquach pour-over coffee maker. A sleek, functional coffee dripper that's ideal for those who appreciate both the art and simplicity of manual brewing. This coffee maker, with its 828/28 glass server and stainless steel dripper, is designed to bring out the best in your coffee beans, giving you a rich, flavorful cup of coffee every time. But that's not all. This product is built to last and is easy to clean, making it a must-have for coffee lovers who value convenience and quality. Why choose the Aquach pour-over coffee maker? Do you love brewing your coffee by hand? If so, the Aquach pour-over coffee maker offers a brewing experience that will transform your daily coffee routine. The pour-over method is a favorite among coffee aficionados for its ability to deliver a richer, more balanced extraction compared to standard coffee makers. With the Aquach, you have control over every aspect of the brewing process, from the water temperature to the pour speed. This allows you to achieve a perfectly brewed cup of coffee tailored to your taste preferences. Key features at a glance: large capacity. The 8 or 28 milliliter, 28 oz capacity glass coffee server is ideal for brewing multiple cups at once, perfect for sharing with friends or family. Paperless, stainless steel dripper. Say goodbye to disposable paper filters. The stainless steel filter is designed to be reusable, saving you money and reducing waste. Durable borosilicate glass. The high-quality glass server ensures durability, and it's heat-resistant so your coffee stays hot for longer. Consistent water flow. The pour-over design allows for even water distribution, ensuring a balanced extraction for every brew. Easy to clean. Both the glass server and stainless steel dripper are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Balanced extraction for better flavor. The Aquach pour-over coffee maker's design focuses on providing a balanced extraction, which is crucial for achieving that perfect cup of coffee. When water is poured evenly over the coffee grounds, it ensures that all the grounds are saturated uniformly. This results in a richer, fuller flavor profile, free from over-extraction or bitterness. Whether you like your coffee bold and strong or light and aromatic, this coffee maker gives you complete control. Why stainless steel is a game changer. One of the standout features of this coffee maker is the stainless steel dripper. Unlike paper filters, the stainless steel filter allows the natural oils of the coffee to pass through, enhancing the richness and mouthfeel of your brew. Additionally, it's reusable, meaning you don't have to keep buying replacement filters. Better for your wallet and the environment. Quality meets durability. The borosilicate glass used in the Aquach coffee server is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring that it won't crack or break under normal use. This type of glass is commonly used in lab settings because of its strength, making it an excellent choice for coffee brewing. Paired with the sleek stainless steel dripper, this pour-over set is as stylish as it is functional. If you're worried that manual coffee brewing might be too complicated or time-consuming, don't be. The Aquach pour-over coffee maker is designed for ease of use, even if you're new to pour-over brewing. Simply place the stainless steel dripper on top of the glass server, add your coffee grounds, pour hot water in a slow, circular motion, and let the coffee bloom. In just a few minutes, you'll have a delicious barista-quality cup of coffee without any fuss. Whether you're brewing coffee for yourself or serving guests, the Aquach pour-over coffee maker offers a premium coffee experience every time. Are you looking for a thoughtful gift for a coffee lover? The Aquach pour-over coffee maker is an excellent choice. Its combination of functionality and elegance makes it a standout addition to any kitchen. With its durable construction and easy-to-use design, this coffee maker is perfect for anyone who enjoys the art of brewing. Plus, it's an affordable, high-quality option that will impress any coffee aficionado. One of the biggest concerns with manual coffee makers is cleaning, but the Aquach pour-over coffee maker eliminates this issue. Both the glass server and stainless steel dripper are dishwasher-safe, meaning you can enjoy your coffee without worrying about a tedious cleanup process. Simply rinse, place the parts in the dishwasher, and you're good to go. Final verdict. Is the Aquach pour-over coffee maker worth it? Absolutely. If you're serious about coffee and want to elevate your brewing game, The Aquach pour-over coffee maker is an investment you won't regret. Its elegant design, combined with practical features like the paperless dripper and easy-to-clean components, make it a top choice for coffee lovers. Whether you're an experienced barista or just starting your manual brewing journey, this coffee maker offers an exceptional experience that brings out the best in every cup. So, if you're ready to enjoy a superior cup of coffee every morning, click the link in the description below to check out the full product specifications and order your Aquach pour-over coffee maker today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.